Okay, welcome to Highlevel, Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, what I'm going to do is explain how you set up forms on the website and how you're going to set up automations for this. Make sure the form is set up right so all the actions are correct. So let's get started. Now, let's say I want someone to fill out a form whenever they click this button, and once they fill that form, they get access to the demo video, which is this video right here, that you'd gain access to through my affiliate link. It's a 6-minute video explaining what Highlevel does, and yeah, it's pretty good. So let's make a form. So whenever someone clicks this button, they have to fill out a form, so then we can collect their information and possibly message them in the future that they're interested and try make them from a lead to an engaged lead. Because if they want to watch the demo, they're probably interested. So we want to collect their data and email them or message them later on in the future. So what we do first is go to the Sites tab and then go onto Forms, then Form Builder, and then Add Form. Let's name this Demo Form because they want access to the demo. Highlevel already populates these ones, which I think are that's all you need really. First name, last name, email, phone. I can change the color of the button to suit my branding. Okay, we can get rid of that. We don't really need that. Pretty cool. You can add other things in, terms and conditions, and all these other things. But this is all we need for now. So what we can do is change the styles of the form. So if you go to this styles and options, you can have it like that. You can have it like this. You can mess around with all this, but I'll keep it simple to be honest. Highlevel's got themes that you can mess around with. But what's the important part is when someone clicks the button, you obviously want them to be redirected to the page that they want to go onto. So obviously you go onto options. So on submit, you want to make sure it opens a URL, and that URL will be obviously the URL, this one here that they want to access. So you want to go here and press and paste the URL for the form. So once we've pasted that, we can save it. Now go back to websites. Now go onto your website and onto that button. So what we want to happen is whenever someone clicks this button, a pop-up comes and they can fill the form out and get redirected to the page that they want to go on, which is to watch the demo, which is this one here. So what we do is click the button, scroll all the way down to where it says button actions, and make sure you've selected open pop-up. Okay, then what you want to do is configure the pop-up. So what you can do then is go to pop-up settings. Then you can add a title, you can add a little subtitle, and then what you want to do is add your form in here. Let's add our form. Add the form, and then let's select the form which was called demo form, remember? Okay, obviously I would change that color is bad, but it's fine. Now the button action is using the action from the form builder, and from our form builder we added a URL there, so we don't have to mess around with anything there. Let's save that. Okay, and let's preview it. So what we want to happen is that when you click that button, a pop-up comes and people fill that form out and then get redirected to our demo page. So let's try it. Okay, pop-up came up. Let's fill the name out. Let's put a random email, phone. Okay, so hopefully once we click this, it would redirect us. There you go, just like that. Thanks for watching, we'll be in touch. And they can watch the video about Highlevel, everything that it does. And yeah, that's perfect. So what's good about Highlevel is that whenever someone submits their information anywhere, it stores it. Let me show you where. So if you go into your contacts page, the contact I just made, Jose Umfrey, with that email, with that phone number is right here. So what we can do manually is send them a message, send them an email. So what's good, Highlevel just takes track of all contacts and puts them in the contacts tab. So let's say we want to create now an automation that sends off like 2-3 hours later, trying to make that lead an engaged lead. So what we want to do is maybe message them or email them saying, I saw you were interested, you can book a call here. So let's make that automation. So let's go to create workflow and start from blank, scratch. Okay, we can name this workflow. Okay, the trigger is going to be once they fill the form out. So form submitted, add filters, form is the demo form, and yeah, press save trigger. So whenever someone fills that form out, this automation will be triggered off. What we can do is just send them like an email maybe. send an email from you, email, add subject. You can add whatever subject you want, like hey. Then you could put like, hey, contact first name. Hi, contact. Hey, John. I saw you. I'm happy to jump on a free Zoom call with you to go over any questions you have. You can just paste your calendar URL here, or I can just paste my calendar link here, which is user is me, contact is the customer. User, calendar link, boom. Press save. But what I forgot to mention is that we want to create a wait stage. We don't want to email them straight away as soon as they fill the form out. Let's wait like about 2 hours. 2 hours. So now they fill the form out. We'll wait for 2 hours. Put that there so we know what's going on. Wait for 2 hours and then we can send them the email. What we're going to do is publish and save. There's a ton of other automation that you can use, but that's just like a little simple one. There's like a whole list. I'm going to make some more videos on automations specifically in the future, but I'm focusing on websites and funnels now. If you want to join the best affiliate program on the planet, here's all the benefits you get. I'll sit down with you one-on-one on Zoom calls and answer any questions you have, help you build certain things or whatever you need. So make sure you join Highlevel with that link, and I hope this video was useful, and drop in the comments you have, and yeah, thank you.